Hey everybody, this is Paul doing a quick video. This is going to be more Doordash orientated. Um, so I responded to a question that somebody had on the Reddit forum. They said they had waited 30 minutes, and I was like, well, that doesn't make any sense. Why'd you wait 30 minutes? And, don't you know that you can unassign an order without getting penalized by Doordash? And I kind of forget that I'm up over 2,000 orders right now, and anybody who's done this for a while has figured this out by now or has heard about this by now. But you are not required to stay at a restaurant longer than 10 minutes by DoorDash. It is built into their policy that you can unassign an order without being penalized. So what this video is going to be is a very quick how to do it, very quickly. So what I did is I took screenshots of the process. It says it's basically 9 steps, but it's 9 very quick steps. Now, what you will have to do is when you hit the arrived at store option, as soon as you arrive at a store, look at the time. So if you arrive at a store at 12:10, by 12:20 you can do this process. And there's a tiny bit of a delay, so it might be 12:21 somewhere in there, but there is a tiny bit of a delay. So, you can repeat this process very quickly. So what I'll show you is how to do this very quickly. Okay, so this is a Raising Cane's order that I just had. So I took screenshots. This isn't an order I abandoned or anything. I just took the order. All right, on the upper right hand corner of and this is on Galaxy, so it's Samsung Galaxy. It might be a slight bit different, but there should be a question mark somewhere or something that takes you to the screen. So question mark right here. Next screen, Dasher Help. What Dasher Help is? Automated Dasher. This is not the people you call or anything. This is Dasher Help. So what you want to do is on this screen, do not hit unassign this delivery, okay? That is not how you do this. You want to go to Dasher Help. Then you click this button right here. This starts the automated Dasher prompt. Takes you to this screen. This little thing pops up. You are not talking to a human right now. And it even literally says, I'll connect you to one of my... So it will pop up with different options. This is also the same screen you can use for stores closed. But what we use it for is unassign or cancel order. Okay? When you click that, it gets you this screen. And it kind of gives you like, why do you want to cancel it? This is also, you can use this if the customer wants it canceled or if the store wants it canceled. I've had to use this maybe 1 out of 2,000 times for customer wants it canceled. This is how you can avoid calling help also. So for this, you're going to click unassign me from the order, okay? It'll be like, well, why do you want to be unassigned? Wait time's too long. Right here, and then you can ask, I'm concerned about ratings. I don't think it matters which one you click, but you can hit extra pay for wait time is what I normally click, and then it'll get you this. Unfortunately, we don't pay offer. This might vary for California or it might vary for New York. Or any of the states that pay you for wait time, but just be aware this might be slightly different, but for most of us it's going to be like this. So how would you like to proceed? So you get these 3 options: unassign without pay. If it has been more than 10 minutes, you will see a screen right here that says thanks for your patience. We see that you have waited longer than 10 minutes. Your ratings will not be impacted. If you have not waited 10 minutes, this is the screen you see. And I didn't have one where I had to wait longer than 10 minutes today. But trust me, you will know very quickly if you're doing this right or wrong. If you click yes right now, your completion rate and your acceptance rate is going to get hit at the same time. So you don't want to do that unless, you're just, you don't want to do the store if something like going on or whatever, it's an emergency. But if you waited longer than 10 minutes, this will say thanks for your patience. We see you have waited longer than 10 minutes. Your ratings will not be impacted. And then you just hit yes unassigned, and then when you back out of the order will be unassigned and it will go to somebody else. So that's a very quick video on how to do that. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I just want to keep this one very short, and just let me know if you have any questions. And thank y'all. Have a nice day.